Right, this is our CNC. So we are going to switch it on. We start with the voltage regulator here. As you can see, it's now on. Then we will show another switch here. When the machine comes, make sure there is hydraulic oil. This tank, that's for the chuck. Then we go to the front panel. Here is our interior. Okay, so we are going to switch on. Make sure the emergency is off. Then we switch on our machine. And here you should also make sure there is lubrication oil from this side. Okay, now our machine is lighting up. Subscribe to the channel, because whatever we do here, we are going to do it practically, step by step, and you will learn exactly how to do this machine. So our machine is loading. Switch on. Just wait for a while, but not that long. Okay, our machine is now on. So I'm gonna show you some. Okay, let me first show you. This one is for opening and closing the chuck. So if you want to open your chuck, just click here. As you can see, okay, I'm clicking. See, just are opening and closing. So here you select whether you want to clamp interiorly or externally. You can use this button also to open and close the chuck, but it should be in job mode. Okay, this one is the hand wheel. If we want to move our cross slide manually or the carriage, so the Y and the Z are for the cross slide and the carriage. Just you turn this wheel, this one, that's for turning. Okay, I'll show you all this operation moving in my next video, so keep in touch. That's all for this one. In my next video, I'll show you the operations of all these buttons and what they do on this machine. Okay, we'll also look at this machine. The operations are the same, but it's quite different, but not that much different. The operation is just the same, but this one is quite bigger.